Morning ritual, I wake up and I make myself a special oatmeal, like protein powder, a bunch of stuff in it. That's my secret.
I like to do a workout in the gym, like a stretching, kind of opening up dynamic workout.
On game day, it's always a super fruit smoothie in the morning with rice protein and coconut milk.
Coffee.
Actually, yeah, the hair always has to be the same. In the bun, that has not yet to change. Glasses, gotta make sure I have them all. I probably look about 5 times. And the extra bathing suit. Get a little nervous that I always forget something.
Right now it's been just a couple Eggo waffles, relaxing in the player's tent for a little bit beforehand, and then about a half hour before, just getting it fired up and getting the blood flowing.
Some Monster or Red Bull or Rockstar or something that wake me up a little bit, hot shower, and we're ready.
I like to sleep a lot on game day, make sure I get plenty of sleep. I usually sleep through the first half of the first game, and then Russ kind of yells at me and we start going.